A massive snowstorm has wreaked havoc in the northeastern U.S. and left 7 people dead, 5 in the Buffalo area. After sweeping across the Great Lakes, the storm dumped 5 feet, 1.5 meters, of snow in parts of New York State, with more due. The storm caused 5 deaths in that area, 1 in a car crash, 1 trapped in a car and 3 from heart attacks. Freezing temperatures were recorded across all 50 U.S. states, including Florida and Hawaii, and there were more deaths elsewhere in the country. We have tried to get out of our house, and we are lucky to be able to shovel so we can open the door, said Linda Oakley, a resident of Buffalo. We're just thinking that in case of an emergency we can at least get out the door, she added. We can't go any further. Residents were reported trapped in their homes and cars, and strong winds and icy roads caused motorway accidents and forced school closures in parts of the U.S. A women's basketball team from Niagara University was left stranded on a roadway for hours before being picked up by authorities. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo deployed more than 100 National Guard members to assist in clearing roads and removing abandoned vehicles. The National Weather Service said some places could top the record for a single day of snowfall, which is 6 feet 4 inches, 1.93 meters. Train service in parts of New York State was suspended on Wednesday, while long stretches of highway near Buffalo were shuttered. As well as the fatalities in New York, there were 2 other weather-related deaths reported in New Hampshire and Michigan. About 20 people have died across the U.S. since Saturday. 3 firefighters in Indiana were also injured when a trailer struck a fire truck on a snow-covered roadway. Amid the weather, the State University of New York Buffalo announced it planned to go ahead with a nationally televised football game on Wednesday evening, although all pre-game activities were cancelled.